Hi, my name is Cobra, and today I will be presenting the dose-response relationship to the chemical acetone. Uh, the threshold limit values for acetone is 750 parts per million. The threshold limit values pertains to the maximum amount of concentration of a chemical to which an adult can be exposed to in the workplace for his or her entire life without being harmed. So this is the amount of the concentration of the chemical of acetone that a person can work through for his entire life and not sustain any harm or anything to their body. The permissible exposure limit is the legal limit for maximum concentration of any chemical in the air that an employee is allowed to encounter and have no damage done. This again kind of piggybacks off of the threshold limit, but this is whenever they're allowed to come in contact with acetone, how much they can take before it starts to damage a person. The recommended exposure level is implemented to show the maximum amount of acetone an employee can be exposed to. So this is the overall maximum amount of exposure of acetone that an employee can get, and that is 250 parts per minute.